Welcome back as we move on to discuss the points and procedures involved in preparing and inspecting a pressure vessel. For purposes of demonstration, we have selected to use an upright receiver, typical of many permanent installations found in industry. It must be noted that even small individual units, better known as portable compressors, should also be inspected and tested along the principles we shall discuss. Returning to our upright unit, we begin by shutting off the supply line at the stop valve, then closing the pressure outlet stop valve, also known as the downstream stop valve. Next, the receiver is drained of air by slowly opening the drain valve. When the pressure has been depleted, the receiver is then isolated by disconnecting both the supply line and the downstream valve. The vessel is then wiped clean in order to provide better visibility of its physical condition. Where inspection covers are fitted, we must remove them in order to perform internal checks. With the aid of a suitable lamp or torch, inspect the inner surfaces. Signs of heavy scaling or rusting indicate that the vessel is in need of refurbishing or replacement. At this time, a visual examination of the vessel is made. All surfaces are inspected for any damage or deterioration due to rust or corrosion. Every welded seam and fitting should be checked for cracking or any other sign of damage. Any vessel that reveals signs of heavy rusting or corrosion must be removed from service until it has been refurbished and inspected by an approved inspection authority. Continuing the inspection, we next look at the main accessories, beginning with the pressure gauge. The gauge face must be clearly readable and clearly marked with a red line indicating the maximum allowable working pressure. All pressure vessels must be equipped with a pressure release valve. Check that this valve has not been tampered with by making sure that the seal is intact. Where a seal is broken, the valve will have to be checked and reset by an approved authority. All valves connected to or from the receiver should be inspected for damage and for free operation upon opening and closing. Where applicable, such as on portable units, a physical check should be made to the automatic cutout or pressure switch. All items checked should be noted on the vessel report in the record book and comments entered where deficiencies have been observed. After the break, we shall discuss and demonstrate the pressure test procedure.